something pointy in here. Through these side holes.
Alright.
I can get out if it's something pointy.
Why do you have nothing pointy around it?
Small and pointy through the side holes, not the front ones because it doesn't go in.
We'll lock off.
Alright, help me find something small and pointy. Oh, wait.
Ow.
Armstead, don't you have something like that in your pants? Art has something. What is it? Here you go, Mikey. Whose is this?
Through the side holes, not the front.
Okay. This one over here? No, it's going through the front.
No, because there's no vent in there.
Oh my gosh.
Got it.
He got something. He got a little quick thingy.
Hope your lockpick skills high enough, Lucky.
Yeah, this is a hard lockpick. You need what, 75?
Yeah.
What's yours at?
Is he gonna try
40?
Wait, what did you give him?
5, 10.
We were trying to pick the lock earlier. Was he give me 5?
Hmm?
Should give me a magazine. No, I couldn't do it.
I got this.
Let me see. What are you using there? Overcompensation.
No.
This isn't overcompensation. It's a shotgun.
Oh, I almost got it.
Is he really?
Yeah. Someone lean on it. No, there's guns in there. We have to move all this crap on top
The
of
top
it.
one doesn't grab, but the bottom one does. I need something sturdier.
Oh. That would be funny though.
Give me something sturdier.
I don't know.
I always wanted to know, why does Master Chief take his sweet old time when he's loading a shotgun? He just goes...
He doesn't have Sleight of Hand Pro there, big guy.
That's true.
Give me a magazine or something. I need to get my lockpick seal up.
Let's go find one, guys.
Oh, I also need 50 science, so give me some of that.
There we go. Got some lockpick.
You can get
Wait.
more of the secret magazines, right?
What does he need?
He needs some popular mechanics and popular science
Why?
to get his lockpick up. Give him this.
I
Mikey.
guess we're gonna have to feed him page by page.
How are we gonna get it in? Oh, I held it open, Mikey.
Yes! You're gonna want the secret magazines, guys.
Hmm?
You're gonna want secret magazines.
Now you read up in there.
Supersonic private jets.
What?
Private jets go supersonic.
How are you reading? You have no light.
I have a phone there, genius.
Oh yeah, you do have your phone.
Mike, you have the internet. You don't need a magazine.
Yeah, what are you doing?
You just look up how to lockpick.
To falloutwiki.com.
This is lead based, there's no connection.
Is there really no connection?
There's connection.
Oh, I was gonna say, that's funny as hell.
4-minute video. Let's just go.
Very little, but there is.
Well, if it's some duct tape, we could just be
Let him out.
Get down, aren't you?
What?
Expelliarmus.
Just give him hand him that knife in the darkness.
Here, Mike.
Yeah, no.
Let's just get him out.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know. What are you doing?
Something sturdier, I can
Nope.
get it.
No. Let's just open it up for him. Yeah, let's show him how easy it is. We gotta pull it out. Hey, there's Mikey! Welcome back to Narnia, little boy.
I don't want it.
Wait, my mom's calling. Hello?
Alright, I'm done.
Alright. You there?